So today I have these earrings and I'm gonna put my Hello everybody again. We are here at the car and wearing this heels. So how do you like the heels? And then like we always do, we're gonna take this off and you're gonna help me. But then for now is I'm going to park the car. So first is I'm gonna put the car on the parking. So here we are, and now I'm gonna take something else. Oops. I really have to pull up more the handbrake. Okay, all is good. Don't be shocked. All is good. And to park. So that's easy. Don't get panic when things goes wrong. So this is my hair. It's so beautiful now. And then I went to salon today. So this is how I look. But then my nails still the same. So still dark blue. But then tomorrow I'm gonna change it. So now since we're here in the parking and I want you to help me. I'm gonna take off my heels. So this is the heels I wear today, and it's just so easy taking off. I'm gonna I need a new car, guys. My gosh, I have to save for my new car. So I was planning to buy Toyota Vios next time, but then I still have to fix my garage. I need to develop and put roof. But then for now, I love my car, so it's very handy. It's very good for the traffic. So driving with this car is so easy, especially in the traffic and in a big city. So okay, now here we are. I'm gonna take this off. Yes. Then next is gonna hang it good. I have to fix my skirt with that. Just wait. Okay. there it goes. I'm more stable. So now is we're gonna take this off, and I really love these heels. It's also this is very comfortable in walking. Even it's high, but it's very comfortable in walking. So are you ready? Let's go. Take this off. Oh my god, it's hard. Oops, we're done. So here we are. So we're done. And this is the heels that we use for driving today. And if you want to join, you can join my Patreon. You can always join, and it's only 25 USD for membership. And I also have membership in this channel, so just click the join button level 3. So I see you there. That's for my driving videos. I'm gonna upload every week. But then also for custom video, you have to message me to my Gmail account so that we can talk. And that's all for now. See you again next video.